Welcome back, everybody. In the last video, Nick was wanting to make some changes to the code because he was frustrated with the way I had things set up.
Not frustrated, but I thought of a better way we could do it, just a bit nicer.
Go for it.
So we talked about generics before. What I want to do is change this. So we're going to change this from API wrap F2. No, right, fine. Rename. Yep, and we're going to change this to API wrapper, and it's going to take of type, T. We're going to put that T in here, and now we can actually specify in the analytics display what type we want. So we want what is called player path by clicks, and then player path by clicks means we don't need to create a new class every single time we want to use the API wrapper. We can just worry about creating this class for every single one, and we've already got our wrapper set up, so we don't need to do it all over again.
So let's demonstrate that really fast.
Let's see if it actually works. That's what Richard is trying to say. Let's see if it actually works.
No, I was going to say dive right in and just set up the next web call. Let's just switch it to a different one and see what it does. But you're right.
I want to check if it works first.
And there's where I go wrong, everybody. I get excited and dive in and then go, oh, it didn't work, and bugger.
Nick, so we've attached.
Much better at the double checking, and let's test it out.
Have we attached yet? No.
You're attached.
Oh, the breakpoint won't be hit.
Okay. Stop attaching.
I'm just going to assume that it's working.
No, stop attaching.
All right, why? Okay.
Try it again.
Try it again.
Oh, okay. No, stop. Back to Unity.
Go back to Unity.
Stop. Back into Visual Studio.
What? Back into Visual Studio.
Make a change to the file. Just delete something and put it back. Cool.
Okay.
Now you can go back into Unity and you can press play. You can go back to Visual Studio.
Really? That's interesting.
So that was because you pressed...
Oh.
Hey.
Anyway, let's we'll try it anyway. What does it do? Oh, here we go. It hits anyway. All right, all good.
Right.
Did it work? The data?
173. It's listed at the bottom left.
Yep, sweet. It worked. Cool. Now we don't need to worry about duplicating code.
Awesome.
A little bit easier.
That's really nice. That's really nice.
Cool. So
let's quickly put in a different return type.
All right then. Okay.
Nick wasn't expecting me to say this part. So.
No, that's fine. I was just wondering how we're going to specify which one of these. What are we going to do?
So let's just put in the next one, which is by time.
Yeah, but like, how are we going to do that dynamically?
We're not going to do it dynamically right now. Just change the by click to by time.
Oh, by time. Okay. By time. Oops, it's running. By time. Save. Go to here. By time. Okay. And now we can copy this. Oh, come on, please. Yeah, take that. And we will go back into 3D Buzz Game Analytics. This should probably be
we should probably rename
this name should be changed, but I can't really be bothered right now.
No, I get that.
It's fine. Paste special, JSON as classes. Cool. So now we've got player path by time. Set it to be serializable. And we should be pretty much ready to go.
One more thing.
Oh?
Your get
Sorry. Yes, you are correct. Copy this. Oh, copy all of this. Put that there. Put that there. Current document. Cool. And then we can go back to the analytics display, and we can just switch this out here. Player path by time, and because I can't be bothered doing this, I'll also just change this to var. and it can figure the rest out itself.
That works for me.
Alright, so this was running? No, it wasn't. Cool. Run, yep. Alright, let's check if that worked. Oops, wrong one. Attached to Unity. So get player path by time. A. Hits here. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Did we get
Client ID. We
time
have time accumulative. Cool.
Alright, step over. The data, it did deserialize correctly. 207.
Hey, fantastic.
There you go. Player position, probably correct.
Well, yeah, it was at 0.07, so it was like you hadn't moved
true.
anywhere yet.
That's true. Let's have a look just to make sure it should be fine. Because
you'll find a lot of the time ones probably at 000.
Yeah, let's just assume it's correct.
Yeah.
Because that was like
I found that when I was trying to do the method call for it. I was like, oh my goodness, find one that isn't 0, but it'll be good. I'm quite certain to be okay.
Alright, sweet.
And if it's not, then we get to go back to the API and make another change.
Anyway, there we go, 207. All good. Now it's easy to switch out stuff.
That is really easy. That is much nicer. Thank you very much, Nick.
That's alright.
Alright. Let's finish this one off. Wait, no, here's your video. What am I doing? You're the one doing the talking.
Yeah, alright. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.